Hello everyone, I am Sahil Rana from New Delhi. Originally, I belong from Himachal Pradesh. Today, I am going to share my experience of the latest SSB, wherein I got recommended, and also how the teachings of Lakshya has helped me to achieve this goal. So, this was my fifth SSB, which took place at 24 SSB Bangalore. And back in 2020, I took a 14 days online course at Lakshya Academy, but I wasn't able to implement the teachings of Lakshya Academy to the fullest. After that, I had good 5 6 months in hand, so I concentrated my entire preparation along the lines of 5 BRCC. So yes, this 5 BRCC is what that forms the core teaching of Lakshya Academy and Yudhvir sir. So let me give you a quick glimpse into what this 5 BRCC is. 5, which stands for 5 point perception. So it is all about visualizing or analyzing anything into at least 5 dimensions. Suppose, for example, if I am studying about my native state Himachal Pradesh, I studied about its history, geography, economy, tourism, and its political structure. So it's all about getting into much more details of the things. Coming to next, B, which stands for brainstorming. So brainstorming is a common English word which is all about uh, discussing, which is all about getting deeper into problems, finding new innovative ideas out of problems. So that is what brainstorming is. Now, whenever I used to practice TAT, suppose I have decided my action, I used to go or I used to make my action much more elaborate by at least writing 5 dimensions of it. Coming to role play is all about character building. I must state Yudhvir sir very famous dialogue here that once your relatives, once your parents, neighborhood approves you, SSB will also approve you. So it's all about character building. It's all about making a person morally correct, and that what in that sense role play has helped me. Coming to connectivity part, connectivity is kind of an exercise which helps to visualize what's not easily seen or look into what's beyond the problems. So it makes a person much more resourceful, and that's how connectivity has helped me. And last is curiosity. Curiosity is a common word which is being curious, or which is having that desire to know everything which is around. So, by everything, I mean if I am sitting in a room, I must know how a fan works. If if I have a door in front of me, I should know what wood it is made up of. So that's all about curiosity. Curiosity to know everything that's happening around. So now I'm going to tell you how this sort of acronym has helped me in various stages. Firstly, coming to psych part, straight away jumping to psych. Uh, in TAT, I was able to write much more detailed stories, which were much more interesting to read, and which are practical stories. So, 5 point perception, which makes my story much more detailed, brainstorming, which makes my story innovative, and coming to the connectivity part, I am able to connect and visualize the pictures with with the happenings which have taken place in my life much more quickly. That's what it is. Coming to SRT, I remember when sir used to say that a leader is a person who is a problem solver, who is status changer. So I have lived my life for the past 6 months in such a way that for every problem I used to encounter, I used to brainstorm about it. I used to find solutions to it, and that's what is needed in SRTs. You have to write or solutions, or you have to write your reactions quickly. So I was able to complete 60 SRTs. With the number, I maintained the quality of my SRTs. For the past 6 months, I practiced role play, and it's all about the character building. I cleansed my subconsciousness, and that what is reflected in the SRTs, I think. So it helped me. The last is WAT. WAT, I think connectivity helped me a lot. Connectivity, whenever you watch a word, I was able to connect it with any event, with what my thinking about that particular word is. So connectivity has helped me a lot in that. Coming to interview, I would classify my interview into two halves. One was based on GK, and one was the rapid fire part where the your family and your domestic stuff is asked to you. So GK, as I told you, when you are curious, you have the desire to know everything, and it's all about knowing your surroundings first. So yes, there was a question that was asked to me in the interview, that suppose you have this petrol bike, what if I put diesel into it, will it run or not? So they ask you questions which are very very basic there, but it's all about when you have that desire to know the things that are around you. And coming to the questions related to my family and myself, I think I introspected a lot. I knew what my weaknesses and strengths were. I knew what is the reason that I have made previous decisions in my life, and hence I was able to convey them to the IUSA very fluidly. And also with role play in practice, I think my day-to-day actions towards my family, towards my neighborhood, towards my friends were very very good. So I think they like a clean person. So yes, that has helped me a lot. Coming to GTO now, I think firstly the Belcha concept, which helps to ace PGT, HGT, FGT. So that is very command task, that is very useful there. And in lecture it, sir used to tell us that show your vision of things rather than complaining or cribbing about certain things. Show your vision. So I did that. Coming to GD as well, I was a person who was not complaining or who was not uh, talking about things which have already been done. Instead, I was telling how we can improve this situation, how we can build better, uh, I would say, better future out of the things which have already been done. So I was not complaining about things, and what sir has always told us. So coming to GPE, I think connectivity is immensely useful in mastering GPE. It helps to see what is beyond. So my GPE solution was very good. Yes, and the mock interviews that take place here at Lakshya, the PIQ and SD classes by Kakad sir have proved immensely useful for me. So I think I would thank Yudhvir sir and faculty of the Lakshya Academy to show me the right path and help me to become successful. Thank you so much.